You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is from anatomy, the name of a bone. In the rest, if you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I know this is confusing. Triquetral. Triquetral is how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, by the way, if you want to learn more. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you, more pronunciations. Triquetral. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.